sharks are beautiful, fierce, underwater creatures that deserve our respect and preservation efforts. They hold an important role in maintaining the ocean's ecosystem by keeping the balance as natural predators. How many types of sharks are there in the world? According to the Smithsonian Ocean Site, there are 500 different types of sharks found around the world. Let's take a look at the different types of sharks list and types of shark pictures that live in various places you may be curious about. Shortfin Mako shark, also known as a blue pointer or bonito shark. The shortfin Mako shark has a bullet-shaped body that is built for speed. In fact, it can reach speeds of at least 31 mph. Fishermen target this species due to the fact that they taste similar to swordfish. Shortfin Makos have been reported to have the ability to leap up to 20 feet out of the water after becoming caught in a fisherman's line. These big, fast sharks are known to even have the propensity to jump into boats. The shortfin Mako is currently on the list of endangered sharks. It is one of the types of sharks in Panama City Beach. Nurse shark. Nurse sharks are known for being the most inactive type of shark on the block. During the day they sleep, and at night they explore the sandy bottom for little critters they can nibble on. Though nurse sharks are slow and non-aggressive, they still need their space. Nurse sharks feed on squid, conches, and sea urchins. They suck food into their mouths like a vacuum cleaners, and use their pectoral fins to travel across the bottom of the ocean floor. The two knobs on their face, called barbels, work similarly to taste buds. Nurse sharks get new rows of their unique types of shark teeth frequently, depending on what season it is. In the summer, they get a new set of teeth every 10 to 20 days. Oceanic Whitetip. Also endangered sharks, Oceanic Whitetip shark breeds are active both in the day and at night. In order to breathe, they have to keep swimming so that oxygen pumps over their gills. They prefer warmer waters and love swimming as deep down as possible. Named after the white tips on their fins, Oceanic Whitetip sharks are a medium-sized shark that can be found all over the world. This unique type of shark is interesting and often feared, in that they hunt in packs like dogs. Oceanic Whitetip. Also endangered sharks, Oceanic Whitetip shark breeds are active both in the day and at night. In order to breathe, they have to keep swimming so that oxygen pumps over their gills. They prefer warmer waters and love swimming as deep down as possible. Named after the white tips on their fins, Oceanic Whitetip sharks are a medium-sized shark that can be found all over the world. This unique type of shark is interesting and often feared, in that they hunt in packs like dogs. Great white shark. Out of all types of sharks, no other shark in the ocean invokes such an image of fear and raw power as the great white shark does. It is the largest of all the predatory sharks in the ocean today, measuring approximately 20 feet long and weighing up to 6,600 pounds. By playing the role of the top predator in the ocean, great white sharks keep the population of sea lions and elephant seals in check. Perhaps their most recognizable feature is their rows of sharp serrated teeth. Each tooth may reach a size of 6.6 inches tall. According to National Geographic, great whites can detect 1 drop of blood in 25 gallons of water, up to 3 miles away. Tiger shark. Named after the tiger-like stripes that adorn his body, the tiger shark loses these stripes after he reaches adulthood. Tiger sharks give birth to 80 or more embryos at a time, and give birth to 30 to 35 pups in a litter. Second in size to the great white shark, the tiger shark reaches a length of 18 feet long and weighs up to 2,000 pounds. Tiger shark breeds are notorious for eating just about anything they can find, from scavenged dead animals to garbage. Tiger sharks have also been known to bite people. Lemon shark. Named after the yellowish hue of their skin, lemon sharks are the most researched of all sharks. This is because they are able to be kept in captivity for long periods of time. Because of this, Scientists have had a great opportunity to observe their behavior. Although they have very poor vision, their nose makes up for it, as it contains magnetic sensors that detect their prey. This bottom-dwelling shark finds its prey by sifting through the sand for rays, bony fish, and crustaceans. Galapagos Shark. Galapagos sharks enjoy swimming in clear waters, coral reefs, and the like. Schools of these sharks can reach hundreds. They are fairly big, reaching around 9.8 feet long. Due to their slow reproductive rate and overfishing, Galapagos sharks have found themselves on the list of endangered sharks. Females give birth every 2 to 3 years to 4 to 16 pups. The young remain in shallow water to avoid becoming eaten by larger sharks, as Galapagos sharks are known to eat their own. Galapagos sharks do have a unique capability. They are able to turn their stomachs inside out. This is helpful if they eat something they shouldn't and need to get rid of it. Gray reef shark, found near coral reefs. The gray reef shark enjoys spending their time at a depth of 200 feet. They are currently threatened by commercial fishing, as they commonly get caught in fishermen's nets. Experts suggest that it won't be long until they are classified as endangered sharks. A smaller shark, gray reef sharks, can reach 5 to 6 feet in length and 66 pounds. Although they usually swim slowly, they can swim up to 25 mph when chasing after their prey. They have very sharp teeth and an excellent sense of smell. Leopard shark. Some of the most common sharks found off the California coast. Leopard sharks are named as such due to the dark splotches on their skin. According to the San Diego Zoo, there are no reports of anyone ever being killed by a leopard shark. Conversely, leopard sharks are sometimes caught as a food source for people. Leopard sharks have lived in zoological settings for over 20 years. In their natural habitat, you can find them in shallow enclosed muddy bays, entering with the tide and leaving when it exits. Seven-Gill Shark. Named for having 7 gills on the side of their bodies as opposed to 5, Seven-Gill sharks are often known called cow sharks. They prey on other types of sharks, octopuses, bony fishes, and rays. Sometimes they are seen in packs seal hunting. The Seven-Gill has an interesting set of teeth. Teeth that rest in its upper jaw are jagged, while those in its lower jaw are shaped like a comb. Though the Seven-Gill shark is aggressive if provoked, according to the Monterey Bay Aquarium, there is no record of any shark attacks in open water from Sevengills. Caribbean reef shark. Because the Caribbean reef shark enjoys swimming in shallow tropical waters, it often comes into contact with humans. Although this may evoke fear in people, Caribbean reef shark breeds are rather shy and are generally not aggressive. With that being said, if you bother them or there is food close by, they could bite. 5 to 6 feet in length, reef sharks feast on tropical fish, shrimp, and crabs. Sandbar Shark. Averaging 6 feet long and weighing 110 to 150 pounds, the sandbar shark lives in the sandy bottoms of coastal areas, found all over the world. Sandbar sharks have been targeted by U.S. commercial shark fisheries. Natural predators of the sandbar shark include tiger sharks and great white sharks. Sandbar shark. Averaging 6 feet long and weighing 110 to 150 pounds, the sandbar shark lives in the sandy bottoms of coastal areas, found all over the world. Sandbar sharks have been targeted by U.S. commercial shark fisheries. Natural predators of the sandbar shark include tiger sharks and great white sharks. Bonnethead Shark. A member of the Hammerhead family, the Bonnethead Shark features a unique head that is shaped like a shovel. They are one of the smallest types of hammerhead sharks. Bonnetheads rarely go out on their own, and typically travel in groups of 3 to 15. They can be found anywhere from the Gulf of Mexico to North Carolina, to the Caribbean to southern Brazil. Bull shark, found in oceans and freshwater alike. Bull sharks have large bodies and a very strong bite. They are considered a potential threat to humans who venture out into the open water. Bull shark breeds have the ability to swim very far up rivers. For example, in 1937, a bull shark was caught by two fishermen near Alton, Illinois. This location is around 1,750 miles away from New Orleans. These big, aggressive sharks have been listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Thresher shark. The most notable feature of the common thresher is its whip-like tail. It uses its tail to corral and stun fish before it feasts on them. Thresher shark breeds can grow to be about 20 feet long. Often seen jumping high out of the water, threshers are sometimes mistaken for other types of marine life. They are not commonly involved in shark attacks. Blue shark. Blue sharks enjoy migrating between the US and Europe. In the Pacific Ocean, they have been recorded traveling over 5,000 miles. Blue sharks are the most fished shark in the world. They average about 12.5 feet long and weigh about 450 pounds. Their sleek, tapered body makes them fast, powerful swimmers. They prefer living in deep, cool waters. Angel shark, a truly unique species. The angel shark looks similar to a ray. They are around 5 feet long, weighing about 77 pounds. Other names for the angel shark include the monkfish and the sand devil. Their camouflaged bodies help them catch their prey. When prey comes close by, they use their powerful suction to grab it within 1/10 of a second. Angel sharks are on the list of critically endangered sharks.